Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export a page inside your workspace on Microsoft Loop in 2026. So let us dive into this. In the first step, guys, navigate to Microsoft Loop and make sure you're logged in with your Microsoft account, of course. Once you're inside, navigate to the workspace. Here on the left-hand side, select the given workspace and navigate to the page you would like to export. I will go with page number 1 for the sake of this tutorial. After that, click into these three dots in the top right and select the option Print as well as PDF Export from that menu below. After that, you will be redirected to a print preview of your page. And what you will need to do, guys, here is under Destination, select Save as PDF. Click into Save Here, select the location on your device, confirm, and that is going to save the given page as a PDF, as you can see, so that you may open it with your PDF editor on your device and from there edit it or share it or print it and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.